Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about key of success of stock market as a beginner's perspective. There is the considering the three factors majorly we have to consider. First one is uh, knowledge. Knowledge. Which type of knowledge is required? Majorly we have considered as the two type of knowledge we have to require. First one is technical analysis. Second one is fundamental analysis. Where in technical analysis, based on the technical analysis, you have to filter out the stocks which are the buy today or sell. This type of where is the enter and exit and sell part. This type of analysis which was depend on the technical analysis, where you can find out the stocks which are buy and sell at the time and which stock we are selecting, right? And second one is entry, where to entry the defined factor. For example, which prices we have to buy in the defined stock, and exit, when to exit, and how much profit we can requirement in the chart. Based on the technical analysis, we have to consideration of the percentage of the profits, and then we have to decide to exit in the stock. And fundamental analysis, where fundamental analysis, whenever we are selecting the stock based on the technical analysis, we have to go into background verification. Background verification means going to the type of market capitalization and PE ratio and debt to equity and so many things we have to consider as balance sheet, everything. I have to consider and everything we have to find out. For example, we have selecting in the 10 stocks based on the technical analysis. We are selecting in the 10 stocks, but based on the fundamental analysis, we filter out the best stocks in the 3 to 4 stocks. We have to find out the best stocks, where we have to only entry in the 3-4 stocks, and based on the technical entry and exit or pre-decided factors. So this one is coming to the knowledge. Whenever we have got the knowledge in the stock market, these two type of analysis we have to achieve. Then going to the second thing is capital, where based on stock market we should only consider as a percentage wise returns, not money wise returns. For example, I am doing the with 1 lakh rupees, I am getting the 20,000 per year. It means 20% of returns. In case of that, 10 lakhs rupees someone using in the market and he got the 2 lakh rupees. We are considering, we are not different in same. So right, for example, 10,000 guy is getting to 2 lakhs rupees. It is also 20%, and 1 lakh guy is also getting the 20,000. It is also 20%. So we are not compared with the 10 lakhs guy whoever having the capital of 10 lakhs. So we are always considering the capital as in the percentage wise, and you have to getting the big capital, you have to getting more profits, where capital was 1 lakh to 5 lakh. These were beginners. Always beginners we should consider as the in stock market only going into simple things, not more losses consideration. For example, ETFs equity was the less volatility, and we are considering learning something with this to getting this some decent profits. And third one is patience, where these three things we have to follow to get the at least 20+% of returns you are earning in the per year. For example, your knowledge is sufficient, then you have capital is also sufficient, then you have to patience. So for example, today we are buying the one stock, it have to giving the profit at least to 10 to 15% of the profit. It have to time requirement, 1 week or 2 week or 3 months, 4 months, at least 1 year, maybe it will require. So we have to wait for that time period. We have to giving the time to market to getting the results. Otherwise, today I am buying, tomorrow I want to sell. Where market is going to down, we have to getting the loss. So definitely we have to patience. And why we are patiently waiting for this? We are selecting the stock based on the fundamental analysis. Fundamental is the very important key of the stock market. So where fundamentally we are strong stocks, we are buying this one, so we don't fear about the whenever going to minus 2%, 3%, at least 10% also. We are not considering the loss. Why? Because we are selecting the strong companies based on the fundamental analysis. These three things, whenever we have to practice in this, we have to go into second step is, this is the step one. This thing is over. Second step, we have to filter out the stocks where NSE and BSE was registered in the 7,000 plus companies. So we are not able to filter out the everyday this type of stocks. So we have to create the list of stocks. For example, good stocks one more thing, and remaining 40 stocks one bunch, and 200 one bunch. Only we have to trading only this type of companies. Uh, if you want, you can ask me to comment where please create the stocks bunch. I will make it the one of the bunches. Every 3 months we can change the bunches, right? And whoever want to take to whoever want to see my PNL list, I am giving the link below and uploading it recently. The last April to June months, I am getting the 16% profits on the 1 lakh capital. So and next upcoming months we have to getting the remaining percent of returns. Actually, I am expecting the returns on the market only 20+%, 20 to 30%. It is enough for me. So thank you.